My dad is pilot.
In this video, the helicopter hits the building while taxiing. The helicopter has major damage while everyone is safe. Fighter jet exhaust blows away the man standing behind it. Ooh, oh my god. Here is the startup of the Boeing airplane. You can see flames coming out from the engine. This usually occurs when you start the engine for the first time. The engine burns out leftover oil present during the storage phase. Here the C-17 airplane uses reverse thrusters in full power and performs a short landing, then moves backward. Wow, see how fast the reverse thrusters reduces the speed of this airplane. This helicopter crashed, due to its tail hits the ground in Russia.
Ебать! Пиздец, развалился нахуй! Ебать! Пиздец!
This helicopter accidentally blows down VIP podium in a parade. Here is a close view of the Fagradalsfjall volcano of Iceland while emitting lava. Wow, it's superb! Here is the beautiful low pass of the airplane. Wow, beautiful view. Superb. These fighter jets are landing parallelly and giving us an amazing view.